Auto Sales RV Yamaha Highway 2 at the 401, and we finally have nailed him down. Lindsay Belanger is with us here right now. You've got a big weekend here.
Yeah, the wind had me busy there. I just had to work on the wind. But anyway, we have a show today. We have a show Saturday, and we have a big show for Sunday. So come on out. You got to see our new sign that we got up on 42 Highway. It only reaches 50 feet in the air. So it's telling you the dates. It's telling you all the specials. Like we've got, again, like always, we've got a lot of product on the automobile side. We probably got 80 cars to choose from. They're slashed. I mean, there's financing. There's a great selection. And then, of course, on the RV side, we've got some aged inventory, probably some 17s that we want to get rid of. So they are marked down to go. Like you're going to get a deal, probably a deal that you wouldn't even be able to get on a used trailer. Our prices are so slashed. So that financing, like I saw one as low as $25 a week you can finance for. So let us help you out there. And then, of course, on our power sports side, we've got motorcycles, we've got snowmobiles, we've got ATVs, we've got UTVs, we've got marine. I mean, on and on and on. Generators are on special, so we can help you out. Yamaha's got some low rate financing, some 0, some 4.9. So again, we finance everyone, so come on out and see us at Tilbury Auto Sales. We got some hamburgers and hot dogs. Dee Dee's working hard on Facebook. All the staff's here. We're here tomorrow from 9 till 4, Saturday 10 till 4, or 10 till 3, I believe. Come on out and see us.
It's busy. Keep Lindsay busy, and come on in and save yourself some cash, too. Tilbury Auto Sales, RV Yamaha, Highway 2 in the 401 with 94.3 CKSY.